Alright, this is the elevator here at the Macy store at the King of Prussia Mall in King of Prussia, Pennsylvania. The store used to be Bambergers. This is a take on the handy cam. As you can tell, the call button's been replaced, unfortunately. Other than that, everything else is original. Look, this looks like it's Epco, I don't know. I think it might be Adams. Alright, let's go up to 3. Indicator's burned out. Lantern doesn't work. This is remarkably similar to Macy's at Stamford Town Center. Pulled the old door trick. It's got 2 stop switches for some reason. Get a cab view. This is almost similar to Macy's at Stamford Town Center. Button already went out. Look, there's a slot for a 4th floor, but there's no 4th floor. Go up to 3 again. Slow doors. Now let's get to the machine room. There's your phone. Cute little panels, don't you think? Alright, this is the machine room right here. Let's listen. Again, new call button. Pretty stunning machine. Now for all you fire alarm fans, there's the pull station. It's a simplex. Alright, and that's it.